Two hands.
Two hands?
Yeah, cup your hand around it.
Like this?
Yeah.
That's it.